Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blajio. So guys, I was using my Instagram and I accidentally discovered a new trick. So let me show you. So if you have two IDs on Instagram, then you can switch between them with just double tap. For example, let me show you. I have these two IDs, Blajil and other one is Sajil Bukhari. So instead of going here and switching it, you can just double tap this area and you can just switch between the accounts. Here let me show you again, double tap, and here we can just switch between two IDs by just double tapping. So for more such tricks, make sure to like this video, and you can also follow me on Instagram at the rate of Blajir. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.